Lot/house package. Upscale living in a beautiful setting is in your future. Vista Wind is a deed-restricted development located in South Windover Farms. Spacious split plan 3-bedroom/2.5 bath home west to 3-car garage. Open floor plan west great room layout, formal dining room and den study formal living room west double door entry. Open eat-in kitchen west maple cabinets, granite counters, and stainless steel appliances. Master retreat west is enter closets, soaking tub, dual sink vanities and large step-in shower. Large guest bedrooms, covered patio and more. Location is close to shopping and offers easy commutes, 10 miles to Nassau, 20 miles to Port Canaveral, 35 miles to Orlando International Airport.